Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading Color Our World for July 7th, 2025, Part 2. Mix It Up by Hervé Tullet. Are you ready? Rub that gray spot, just a little, to see what happens. There they are, but don't they seem a bit shy? Rub it again. They're coming back, but there are still a few missing. Try rubbing one last time. Finally, they've all come back, so now place your hand on the page, close your eyes, and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you've got the magic touch. Now let's use it to mix it up. With one finger, take a little bit of the blue and just touch the yellow. Rub it gently. See? Now take a little bit of the red and rub it on the blue. Okay? Try taking some of that yellow and smudging it on the red. Great, can you remember all that? Let's have some fun. Do you want to go on? Okay, so shake the book really hard. What do you think will happen? Right! So now try tilting the book to the right. What do you think will happen? Right again. Close the book and push down really hard so the colors squish together. You thought so? Bravo! If you rub the two colors together really hard, then what happens? You got it! That's it. You got it. All done. Just one more thing. Place your hand on the page, count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Goodbye. Have fun. The end. Okay, we're going to finger paint. So your Craft to Go kit is a large sheet of finger paint paper. It's huge. And all you'll need is some finger paints or some tempera paints and your fingers. So we're just gonna see what happens. I'm gonna take some blue and smear it on there. Oh, you might also want to have some paper towels. I have paper towels nearby. So that way you can wipe your fingers off in between colors. Take a little green. Or I'm sorry, a little yellow, and we'll rub them together and see if we get green. It's a dark green, but it's green. And then we'll take some blue again, and a little bit of red. And then rub them together. And we get purple. Again, it's a dark purple, but it's purple. And then the last one I want to do is yellow. And red. Mixed together. Might need a little more yellow. We get orange. Then you can just draw whatever you want after that. Make this my eyes and my nose. And a big smile. And that's all there is to it. Just finger paint. Have a good time. Mix colors. Make flowers, make hearts, make moons, make stars, make whatever you want. You can make a big old mess if you like. And that's all there is to it.